Hey, what's going on, guys? I grabbed this Arzopa 16.1 inch portable monitor so I could check it out and see how well it actually fits into my daily life. First impressions, slim, lightweight, actually a little bit larger than my laptop screen, so over doubles my workspace. The best part is that one cable really does it all, so you don't have to have a bunch of mess. Sitting at my desk, I've used it for video editing with the laptop preview set on one screen and the timeline stretched across the other one. When I wrap up, it slides back into the sleeve, into my backpack with no problems, so it's easy to always take with me. Next stop, a coffee shop. I set it up with my work computer for spreadsheets and data analysis. One sheet open on my laptop, the other sheet open on the Arzopa monitor. Makes it way easier to keep things organized without flipping back and forth. The built-in kickstand feels solid and holds steady on the table. The design's even better than I expected. Matte screen with minimal glare, but still light enough for me to carry around with me daily. In the box, you have the monitor, 2 USB-C cables, an HDMI cable, and the thin travel sleeve. It does have built-in speakers. They work okay, but I definitely prefer to use the headphones personally. The only downside, it's not quite as bright as the laptop monitor, and I'd say the colors aren't quite pro level, but for the price and portability, it's definitely solid. So if you work from home and need extra screen space, or travel and need something light to carry around for spreadsheets, editing, or multitasking, this is who it makes the most sense for. It's been a smooth upgrade for me.